I've made a review of this clever-made collapsible storage bin before, but I found it so useful that I just ordered 3 more. Each bin holds up to 62 liters of stuff, supports a maximum weight of up to 100 pounds, is fully collapsible, and as you can see, is stackable with other crates. This time, I decided to pick up a set of 3 boxes, not only because I recently got a new car and this new gray color of the clever-made box fits the aesthetic of my car a lot better than this blue one that I was using, but also because I've been making product review videos for 2 years now and I keep a lot of packaging in case I have to ship something. My closet honestly looks like a mess. Since I have these in hand, I'm going to show you what organizing things around my house and in my car with them looks like, aka using them in real life scenarios, so that you can decide for yourself whether or not these bins are something that you think would be worth buying too. All right, here we go. Here's a slower view of what my storage closet looks like with all the packages that I've accumulated and products that I still have left to review. And here's what it looks like now after organizing it with the clever-made storage bins. As you can see, now not only do I have space in the middle that I can actually walk inside and access the clothes that I have hang drying, but I've also gone ahead and organized my items inside the crates themselves. So inside this crate, I have all of my stuff that I use to play sports or work out. And in this crate, I have all of my shipping labels and boxes and things that I use for shipping packages out, which I might still organize further later. Here's what the crate looks like inside my car. As you can see, like I said, the color matches the whole dark gray and black aesthetic I have going on. Generally, I like to keep this crate in my car not only to carry plastic bags and spare parts like charging cables and hooks, but also to carry my groceries in from my car into my place. Since I buy my groceries in bulk, this storage bin being able to carry up to 100 pounds really helps a lot, and I have tested it before with lots of meats and heavy things in it, and it's held up every time, no problem. So if you're looking for a solution to organize things around your home that's incredibly well made, can hold a lot of stuff, is really durable, and will last you a lifetime, pick up these storage bins by Clever Made for yourself today, and you're going to be set.